Hi, I'm Phil from the Developer Relations team here at 1Password. What if your desktop tool could securely access secrets from within 1Password? Today, we're introducing an update to the 1Password SDKs, adding support for desktop applications. Your desktop applications and scripts can now authenticate directly within the 1Password desktop app. That means when your application attempts to access an item stored in a user vault, a user sees the same 1Password authentication prompts they are already familiar with and already trust, but they also see your application's icon and name to help them understand the request. In addition to local authentication, this update introduces management capabilities not available before, like vault management, bulk item management, and group vault permissions. More on that later in the demo. In the past, we gave your teams service accounts, which were great for automated machine-driven workflows like CI/CD. But when it came to including human-in-the-loop functionality, service accounts are simply not the right tool. User focus now remains in your application while enabling your users to confidently grant your application access to their secrets. Let's take a look at a tool that does just this. This tool is built for users doing 1Password vault management. In this case, a new employee is added to a 1Password shared vault that contains configuration information and access credentials to be shared within the application on the employee's behalf. The employee runs the application locally and is presented with a 1Password authentication screen. This screen requests access to the application configuration to present the correct UI. The employee approves access and is now presented with the application based on how it has been dynamically configured to match their level of access and restrictions. This is the beauty of combining both the 1Password SDKs and providing local authentication. The updated 1Password SDKs, including desktop integration, vault, group, and bulk item management capabilities, are available now for Python, Go, and JavaScript. This functionality works with the 1Password desktop app on macOS, Windows, and Linux. Learn more over at developer.1password.com. We would love to hear your feedback over in the 1Password developer community. And as always, happy coding.